The Lexus RX350 has built a reputation for comfort, luxury, and legendary reliability. But, believe it or not every RX350 is created equal. Some model years come with hidden problems that can cost you thousands in repairs. In this video, we'll break down the worst Lexus RX350 years to avoid, what exactly went wrong with them, and which models you should buy instead. Stick around to the end. We'll also share the best and most reliable RX350 years that deliver true Lexus dependability. Now, the Lexus RX350 has been a bestseller since it first launched. It's smooth, powerful, and packed with features that make it one of the top luxury crossovers on the road. Many people are paying attention to the Lexus RX350 2022 model, since it's a luxury hybrid designed for comfort, performance, and eco-friendly technology. But of course, the 2022 model isn't the only version of the Lexus RX350, and there are some Lexus RX350 years to avoid. But even Lexus, known for reliability, has had a few rough patches. Based on owner complaints, recall data, and expert reviews, here are the worst RX350 years you might want to think twice about. Number 1. The 2007 Lexus RX350. This model year suffered from some frustrating issues that owners still talk about today. The most common complaint? Cracking dashboards and interior panels. It wasn't just cosmetic, it made the cabin look worn out and cheap fast. Some drivers also reported transmission hesitation, especially during acceleration. And on top of that, there were air conditioning system problems that could lead to expensive repairs. While the 2007 RX still delivers that Lexus comfort, these issues make it one of the bad years to avoid if you want a trouble-free ride. Number 2. 2008 Lexus RX350. The 2008 RX350 didn't fix everything either. The dashboard cracking problem continued, and for many owners, Lexus didn't cover it under warranty. There were also complaints about uncomfortable seating, especially for long drives. And while less common, some reports mentioned brake performance issues. Overall, the 2008 RX350 still had that luxury feel, but reliability-wise, it's another Lexus RX350 year to skip. Number 3. 2009 Lexus RX350. Then came the 2009 RX350, and unfortunately, many of the earlier issues stuck around. Dashboard cracking was still a top complaint. Cooling system problems started to appear, including radiator leaks that could lead to overheating. And a few owners even mentioned steering system issues, making the car feel less stable than it should. If you're shopping for a used Lexus RX, this one's another year you'll want to be cautious about. Number 4. 2010 Lexus RX350. 2010 marked a new generation for the RX350, but it wasn't perfect either. While the interior was beautifully upgraded, the same cracking dashboard complaints carried over for some. Owners also reported engine noise, minor oil leaks, and Bluetooth connection problems, especially with newer phones. These aren't deal breakers for everyone, but for buyers who expect Lexus-level perfection, 2010 can be a mixed bag. Number 5. 2016 Lexus RX350. Fast forward to 2016, and Lexus introduced a stunning redesign that looked modern and aggressive. But under the surface, a few new issues popped up. Transmission rough shifting, especially in low gears, infotainment and navigation glitches, which frustrated many owners, and even some paint chipping and peeling problems. Not something you'd expect from a luxury SUV. The 2016 RX350 is stylish, but reliability-wise, it lands on our list of worst RX350 years due to those mechanical and quality complaints. Now, don't get me wrong, the Lexus RX350 overall is still one of the most reliable luxury SUVs out there. According to multiple sources, the 2018 Lexus RX350 stands out as the best year to buy, and here's why. Outstanding reliability record with very few complaints. Excellent gas mileage for its class, around 23 miles per gallon combined. A refined 3.5-liter V6 engine delivering 295 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. An 8-speed automatic transmission that's smoother than earlier models. And luxury features that rival newer RX models at a much lower price. Each trim builds on the other. If you want pure comfort, the base trim is perfect. If you want performance and luxury, the F-Sport Handling Edition gives you the best of both worlds. The 2018 RX350 also came loaded with modern tech for its time, including a heads-up display, touchscreen navigation system, Lexus N-Form app suite, and a remote touch controller. These features make the 2018 RX350 feel years ahead of its competition even today. Safety is another strong point. The 2018 RX350 came with overhead airbags, anti-lock brakes, pretensioners, and stability control. According to cars.usnews.com, it earned a 3.5 out of 5 reliability score, ranking above average for luxury SUVs. In short, the 2018 Lexus RX350 gives you luxury, performance, and dependability in one sleek package. If you're buying used, expect to pay around $30,000 to $38,000 depending on mileage and condition, much cheaper than a new RX, which starts over $45,000. For the features, comfort, and reliability you get, the 2018 RX350 is a smart buy that still feels brand new. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which Lexus RX year do you own, and how's it been for you? Your story might help another driver make the right choice.